Hi friends, welcome to a Tasty Tuesday video. This one we are incorporating blueberries, and it was all Rachel's idea, so I was like, crud, what am I gonna do with blueberries? So I thought of something pretty tasty and healthy and to kind of end the summer just right. So I'm gonna be making I'll be making some blueberry yogurt popsicles. So let me start by showing you what you will need if you want to make this. All right, so what you will need is I'm going to be using some vanilla yogurt. I'm also going to be using some blueberries, obviously. And then I'm going to add some honey to it just to make it sweet. And then you'll be using a blender. And then also I picked these up at Walmart. They're on clearance for 25 cents each just because it's like not summer really anymore. So I got 2 of these to make the popsicles with. Hopefully they work because I think my kids will really like this.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just want to go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated if I listen to my heart. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I don't want to be trapped in a box. I just want to go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way.
All right, now all you gotta do is just pop them in the freezer for about 4 hours. All right, you guys, so all I did after it was done freezing, it actually took less than 4 hours. It took about between 2 to 3 hours. So basically all you have to do is on the plastic piece that's on the outside, just run a little bit of hot water around it just for a few seconds, and then it just glides right out. So that way, because I could never do it before. But yeah, it turned out fantastic. And wow, these are incredibly good. I have to admit, I'm not pulling your chain. This is actually really good, and I know my family is going to really enjoy this as well. So it's going to be a perfect dessert for after dinner for them because I already started mine, so mama gets dessert before dinner. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'd like to give Rachel from Live Laugh Love Mommy a big thank you for doing this collab with me and having this fun idea to do something with blueberries. Stay tuned for next week. We might be doing some crock pot meals, I'm not sure, but we will be doing that pretty soon anyway, so stay tuned for that because that's all about fall. And if you have not yet, definitely go over to Rachel's channel, Live Laugh Love Mommy, and subscribe to her and watch her video because I'm excited to see what she makes. She likes to do the keto type meals and recipes. So if you're into something like that, definitely check it out. And if you're not into that, check it out, because you might get some fun ideas on just being healthier anyways. So definitely head over to her channel. You're gonna really love her and her channel because she has fantastic videos. Okay, she does mommy vlogs, she does Hawaii vlogs, that's exciting, and then recipes, cleaning, and Ross hauls, and more, and DIYs too. So definitely head over there and subscribe to her. You will not regret it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I need more friends, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.
I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs